Have you ever poured mouthwash into your washing machine? If not, you should definitely watch this video, because here I show you two brilliant advantages that regular mouthwash can have in your washing machine. For the first trick, you need your laundry in the first step. You should put this into the washing machine just as normal. After that, it's time for the mouthwash. Because besides the laundry, you need some mouthwash, which you add here. However, it's important that you pour it directly into the drum. It should be 120 milliliters. Pour this amount and then place it directly into the drum with your laundry. What happens next is that you close the washing machine and then start it. But be careful, because you should not add any additional detergent to the washing machine now. Why exactly, I will explain to you in more detail shortly. After this, you now select your program as usual. Start the machine and let it run through completely. By the way, it doesn't matter which mouthwash you use for this procedure. Whether it's an expensive one or a very cheap one, the effect is always the same, because when the washing machine is finished and you take out the laundry, you will notice that it is completely clean and also smells pleasant. Because the reason is that you can actually use mouthwash as a detergent replacement. But it has another advantage. If you have put mouthwash in the empty drum without adding any laundry and run it through a short wash program, you can kill germs and bacteria in your drum. These often cause an unpleasant smell in your drum, and so you can completely eliminate them. Or as a detergent replacement if you run out of detergent but still have mouthwash at home. If you now also want to know why you should always wrap a head of lettuce in newspaper, then you must watch the video that you see on the screen at this point. Click on it directly.